Okay. हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज हिमांशु गुप्ता। आज मैं आपके साथ निफ्टी का एनालिसिस करना चाहता हूँ। आज की डेट है 19 जुलाई 2021। ओके, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ जो मैंने लर्न किया है, कैसे मैं ट्रेडिंग करता हूँ, कैसे मार्केट में इंटर की जाए, कहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस दिया जाए, कैसे इंटर की जाए। ठीक है। सो अगर आप इफ यू लुक अगर आप इस मार्केट को देखें, आज मार्केट टुडे मार्केट ह्यू गैप डाउन। ओके, एंड मार्केट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ए टू बिग ग्री कैंडल, लेकिन एंट्री कहाँ ली जाए? अगर एंट्री यहाँ ली जाए तो व्हाट इज द स्टॉप लॉस? ओके, सो अब मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि एंट्री ली कैसे जाए और कहाँ पे ली जाए और कैसे अपना स्टॉप लॉस बचाया जाए। आप यहाँ देखिए, जैसे टुडेज मार्केट इज नैरो सीपीआर। ओके, अब इफ यू लुक एट दिस, if you go to the if you go look at the if you look at the CPR of 50, today's 15 July, it's totally blank. Okay, अब मार्केट ओपन हियर। अब आप यहाँ देखिए, दिस इज, मैं आपको ड्रा लाइन करा देता हूँ। लुक एट दिस, आई एम ड्राइंग वन। ओके, दिस इज, ओके, दिस इज द लाइन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट। मार्केट यहाँ ओपन हुआ। if you trade short here, so what will be the stop loss? Your stop loss will be this, above this central pivot line. I am telling you here. You can make here and nearby here. Mm, and this must be stop loss, and this is your what is your target? Look at your target. If you take a ratio of 1 by 2, then if you just take 1 by 2 ratio, 1:2, so your target should be, look at like this. Mm. This is your target. Mm. This is your target. Look at this. This is your target, and this is your stop loss. This is your stop loss one, and this is your target. This more than 1%. No more than 1:2. This is your target, and this is your stop loss. Okay. So why? How would I know? Look at this. If you market, if you check the market of 12th July, I am going to show you a market of 12th July. Look at the same condition. Market open a huge gap up, and market went up. And okay, now look at this here. This is 12th July. Look at this here. Look at this. Market open in between the narrow complete blank CPR. Whole day market move in between the CPR versus CPR, and after, once the CPR, once this just close just below CPR, you can enter here. Okay, you can enter here, or just first day's candle below, and make your stop loss here. This, and look at this target. This is your target, CPR. This is your target. Same thing here. Coming to the market here, same thing here. Narrow CPR. This is a virgin CPR here. Market open below virgin CPR. Enter here between the CPR line, and put your stop loss above the. This is above the CPR. above the CPR. Okay, okay. Now here another trade also possible. Look at this. I am telling you. Look at this is the second trade. This is your second trade. A second entry. What would be a second entry? If I'm telling you second entry is here. Hmm, Let me tell you second entry. Let me draw support and resistance. Okay, very second entry. Okay, listen, this is a second entry. Okay, mm, once okay, once the market is previous initial balance low. Okay, initial balance low. You can entry here for long. Okay, and what is the stop loss? Stop just just below this, just below this candle. Okay, and what would be your target? Target will be your you can take target your any support and resistance line. Okay, but here stop loss hit, but your stop loss is very small. Look at this, stop loss is very small. Okay, but here stop loss hit. Look at it in stop loss is very small. Stop loss is very small. Okay, so